Right, Suzuki Jimny, little George's Suzuki Jimny is losing water. And we had a look, around, and we went, where's it losing water? So obviously the water level was going down. And I think we found it. I know we found it. Look, watch here. So it's this top radiator hose. And if I squeeze this here, look, it's got a little wee, look. Reminds me of that statue in Belgium, in Brussels, mannequin piss. Google it, it's quite cool. Right, so in this video we are going to take off this. Now we have bought the new one. There's the part number for it. So this is a Generation 3 Suzuki Jimny, whatever it is, 1.3 I think. Now the guy selling this, I'll put the thing up, he'd sold loads of these. So I think this is an Achilles heel. And actually, I think, well, my Jimny's not losing water, but I think perhaps there's a preventative maintenance step. It's like £5 or stuff, I can't remember. I think it's probably worth changing your top hose. What I think is, as the engine rattles and rocks about, relative to the radiator, which is pretty much fixed to the body, I think it fatigues, and it probably, I expect they all go in the same point. Right, Alicia. Right, Alicia's getting her gloves on. Right, so I think it's just these spring clips. So I think the trick is obviously just to push it forward, Alicia. So if you can squeeze them together, go on, keep squeezing. Oh, you've just taken the whole lot off. That works even better. That's good. Keep going. Let me give you a little. There you go. Right, lush. See if you can do the same on the other one. The other one's a bit tricky. Let me get out of your way. Right. Yeah, I think you were lucky the last time. Yeah, get that out of the way. And then, I mean, you're not worried. We could ram a screwdriver over it, but see what you can do. Pull and twist and yank. Get angry with it. Oh, he's well and truly on there.
Yeah, he's really on there.
He's really on there. We might have to get a screwdriver or something under the... Now, normally you don't want to do that too much because you'll break them. But there you go. Have a go now. Look, have a go now. Look. Go on. Go on. He's going now. Wow. Right, so let's have a look. Let's have a detailed look. Can you find that split? Oh, it's under our thing. Right, so there it is. There's the... You can just see it there. It's the smallest of splits. But it looks like the hose doesn't look too bad. Right, so let's put the new one on. Right, here we go. Can you handle that on? Oh, that's lush, isn't it? Wiggle it, work it. You're going to get the top one on, all right? I guess we could have put some fairy liquid on it, but keep going, give it. You got to get that. It's sort of the bottom lips. Not. You've done well on the lower one. Maybe start on the bottom on that one.
Yeah.
Let's try. Yeah, you got to sort of angle it so that it's on the bottom first. There you go. Try that now. Give that a yank now. That looks good. That looks good.
Yeah, that's good.
Right. Yeah. It needs to be all the way up to there. All right. So just push it down and pull it, and that's it. Lush. Right, and then that other one. Oh, he's come off again now, but go on. Work that on. That's it. Keep going. Because this will have to rotate a bit. Go on.
Yeah.
Right, that's all on. Then it's just a question of nipping up those. I think there's a special set of pliers you can get for this, but we ain't that flash. That's it. Oh, that's it. Just leave a little, don't go all the way to the edge, leave it a little gap there. Right, do the same with the bottom one. There we go. Wiggle him in. Oh, like a boss. Yeah. Sometimes you've got to push the bottom of the clip. There we go, all good. So we'll top him up with water, make sure he's there, put a bit of antifreeze in him, and then we'll pressurize him up. Well, there you go, top hose on a Suzuki Jimny. Absolute piece of cake. Anyone can do that.